Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit video using CAPCUT PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CAPCUT application on my computer, and first of all, we need to create a project on CAPCUT. Just click on create project right here, and you're going to import the video you want to edit. You can click on import option, and I'm going to choose the video from my device. For example, I'm going to choose this video guys. I'm going to click on open. Okay, now the video has been imported to our project, and to edit the video, we need to add the video to the CAPCUT timeline. You can click on this plus icon or drag the video to the timeline like this. And after you have added the video to the timeline, you will be able to edit your video. Okay, you can use the editing tools right here to do the basic editing for your video. Don't forget to tap on your video like this until it's active, and here you'll be able to split your video, reverse your video, and mirror your video, crop your video, and also rotate your video. And for example, I'm going to split my video like this, and I'm going to delete this part. Okay, then if you want to add sticker, tags, effect, transition, captions, filter, or adjustment, you can go to this section. You'll be able to add audio right here as well. And make sure you have internet connection to add all of this stuffs. And for instance, I'm going to apply effect. If you click on the effect, you will have video effect and also the body effects. And I'm going to choose the video effect. For example, I'm going to apply the nature effect, and I'm going to select this luminance effect. We can click on this plus icon to add the effect to our video, or we can drag the effect to our video like this. Alright, and now the effect has been added to my video guys. And then we can also use the tools right here. I'm going to click on my video, and then here we'll be able to edit the audio of the video, edit the speed, add animation, and also do adjustment. And I'm going to change the speed. For example, I'm going to make it slower. So I'm going to slow down the video. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to add audio, you just need to go to the audio, and you will be able to add music from the CAPCUT or your own music. And I'm going to add music from the CAPCUT. I'm just going to use, for example, this one. Okay, we need to download the music. I'm going to add this music to my track. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to cut the music like this. Okay guys, and this is the final result. And if you want to save your editing, you can click on export, and then you can name your video and choose the resolution right here, and also choose the format. And once you're ready to export it, you can click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit video in CAPCUT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.